Hi, I'm Mary, and this is another magical math moment. This video is going to look at arithmetic sequences and how to write equations based on an arithmetic sequence. And this is designed for Algebra 2 students, so let's get to it. We're going to look at the general equation of an arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic just means that we are adding or subtracting a constant. So basically, you're dealing with linear functions here. So a sub n is going to be the value of the nth term. So if you're trying to find the third term, it would be a sub n. A sub 1 is the first term. So these always start with the first term a sub n, not a sub 0, like you would think, initial term, but that's not the case with these. And obviously it's just whatever number term you're trying to do. And d is something called the common difference. It's what you're adding by or subtracting by each time. All right. So let's try, I think I've got two of them for you. Yeah, we've got two examples to try. So in the first one, I've given you a sequence 2, 5, 8, 11. You have to find the equation of the sequence and then also the value of the 15th term. So right away, I know that the first term is a sub 1, which is 2. So I know a sub 1 is 2 here. Then I have to figure out the difference. What are we adding by each time? Well, this looks like plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. So that means our d value is positive 3. Okay, let's go ahead and write out an equation. So a sub n is equal to the first term 2 plus the quantity n minus 1 times the difference 3. Notice I'm putting this in parentheses because this is multiplying. I don't want you to get confused with that. We're going to backward multiply in, like a backward distribution, to get 3n minus 3. And then we'll combine like terms to get 3n minus 1. So that's the equation of your sequence. Now they also want the value of the 15th term. Once you have your sequence equation, you can just substitute n with 15. A sub 15 equals 3 times 15 minus 1. And I'm thinking 3 times 15 is 45. It is. 45 minus 1 is 44. So the value of the 15th term is 44. Not too bad, right? All right. Here is another one. If you want, pause the video real quick and see if you can figure this one out, and then join me back to check it. Okay, the first term in the sequence is 267. That's our a sub 1 value. Now I'm looking to see what these are changing by. That's our difference. So if I'm not sure, I can always say 252 minus 267, and I get 15. It's a negative 15 because smaller number minus a larger is going to give you a negative. And then I can check this as well. I can say 252 minus 15. Oh, that is 237. Perfect. Minus another 15 is 222. Minus 15, so that's my difference. Cool. A sub n equals the first term plus the quantity n minus 1 times the difference negative 15. Multiply that in, we'll get negative 15n plus 15. Be careful with their signs. Negative 15n, I've got 267 plus 15, that equals 282. Okay. So that's the equation of the sequence. And they also want the value of the 15th term again. So we'll do negative 15 times 15 plus 282. So I know that's negative 225. And I'm gonna run to the calculator because it's been a long day and I'm not trying to do this kind of math. 57. Okay. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.